Four twos and 1 3.
4 2s and a 3. So we have a pair of 2s, another pair of 2s, so that's a 2 coming out, another 2 coming out. So what do we have on the outside there?
20.
We have 20, and on the inside we have 3. So we have 20 squared root of 3. Okay, good. On the second one, we have 12 on the outside. How does 24 break down?
2 to the square root of 3 times 3.
Good. 3 2s and a 3. So we have a pair of 2s. This 2's coming out. So on the outside, what do we have?
24.
And on the inside,
6.
6. All right, and then on this one, 15 on the outside. How does 45 break down?
2 3s and 1 5.
2 3s and a 5. So we have a pair of 3s that's coming out. So we have what on the outside?
45.
45, and then on the inside, we have 5. 45 square root of 5. Okay, so today we're going to be practicing pretty much the same stuff we did yesterday. So what is the Pythagorean theorem?
A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Good. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, remember A represents one of the legs of the right triangle. And remember that's the side that makes the right angle. Okay? It's one of the sides that makes the right angle. B is basically the exact same thing. It's a leg. It's one of the sides that makes the right angle. Okay, what is the C?
Hypotenuse.
It is the hypotenuse. All right, and so remember, the hypotenuse is the longest side. That's one way to know of a right triangle. And the other way to know is it's the side that is across from the right angle. Okay? It's the side across from the right angle. So we're going to go in here and label the right angles and then label sides A, B, and C. So on this first one, which one is the right angle?
The top one.
The top angle. It's the angle that's 90 degrees. Okay? Now remember, that angle is like an arrowhead that always points towards the hypotenuse, points towards the C. So right down here is the C, and then the A and the B don't really matter where they go. Okay, on this one, here's the right angle. C is there, A, B there. On this one, again, the right angle is there, C, A, B. Okay, on this one, here's the right angle. Here's C, A, B. On this one, here's the right angle, C, A, B. And then on this one, here's the right angle, C, A, B. Okay, now on these are the ones that mess people up a lot. Whenever you make the right triangle real skinny and long like this is where it messes people up. Now, okay, let me tell you a little trick. Okay, if you have your paper, right? Like the paper that you have there. It's not a perfect thing, but generally it's going to be very, very close. Like at the paper company, whenever they chop the paper up, they're going to chop your paper into like 90-degree angles right here, okay? So that's a good thing to use to check. So like if you take your piece of paper, and so you take this paper, and if you take this corner and put it up in there and see which one of these it fits into. Because sometimes it is a little bit deceiving, but if you'll take your paper and try to put it up in there, it'll kind of give you a guide on which one is the 90-degree angle. So on this one, the 90-degree angle is right here, which means C is here, A is here, B is here. On this one, here's the 90-degree angle, CAB. On this one, here's the right angle, CAB. On here, CAB. On this one here, CAB. And on this one, CAB. Okay, so on the back, let's label this number 1. So number 1, which one is the C?
A question. The X.
Yep, question mark. And then again, the A and the B don't really matter after that. As long as you get C in the right place, you're going to be good. All right, so we're going to have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So which one is the A, the way I labeled it? 7. So we're going to have 7 squared plus B is 14 squared equals, oh, not c squared, sorry. C is the x. We'll put x there. All right, so what is 7 squared? 49. What is 14 squared? 196 equals x squared. All right, we're going to go ahead and add that up. That's going to give us, what, 245 equals x squared. Okay, how do I get rid of a square? Square root. Remember, square and square root are inverse operations. They do pretty much the exact opposite thing. The square and square roots, I don't like the phrase, but they just basically cancel each other out. Okay?
They cancel each other.
They what?
They cancel each other with Twitter.
Yeah, I just don't like that phrase though, because
Yeah.
inverse operations is really the better way to describe it. Anyways, okay, we're just going to get a decimal on this. What's the square root of 245?
15.65.
Okay, is approximately 15.65. So 15.65 yards. Okay, number 2, which one is the C?
Question mark. 10.
Is the 10. Right? You got this little right angle? It's pointing towards the C. So this one, this is the hypotenuse. Okay, and then the A and B. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So with the way I label it, which one's the A? 5. Which one's the B? X. And then the C is the 10. So 5 squared is 25. 10 squared is 100. All right, then I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides. It zeroes out. This leaves x squared equal to 75. And I've got to take square root of both sides to cancel out that square. And what's the square root of 75? 8.66. Okay, now number 3, which one is the C? Question mark. And then we're going to put A and B. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So which one is the A? 3. The B. And then the C is the X. 3 squared is 9. 14 squared is 4 squared is 16. It's 9 plus 16. 25 equals x squared. And on this one, it just gives us straight up 5.